Yo, what's up everybody? It's your name, back with another video. And listen, we gotta talk about AI. This isn't some futuristic sci-fi concept anymore. It's here, it's now, and it's a total game changer. We're talking about the kind of tech that can write articles, generate art, and even automate entire businesses. Now, I know what you're thinking. AI sounds complicated. But trust me, it's way more accessible than you might think. Whether you're a total tech newbie or a coding wizard, there's a place for you in the world of AI. In this video, we're breaking down everything you need to know to become an AI pro, from mastering the basics to building your own AI projects and even monetizing your skills. So, if you're ready to level up your future and unlock some serious earning potential, buckle up, smash that like button, and let's dive right in. First things first, we gotta build a solid foundation. Think of it like this. You wouldn't expect to build a skyscraper without understanding the basics of architecture, right? Same goes for AI. You gotta grasp the core concepts before you can start building the next big thing. So, what do you need to learn? Well, start with the heavy hitters: machine learning, natural language processing, computer vision, and automation. These are the building blocks of AI, and luckily, there are tons of online resources, courses, and tutorials that can get you up to speed. Next, up tools. Think of these as your AI Swiss Army knife. Platforms like OpenAI's API, Microsoft Azure AI, Google Cloud AI, and Hugging Face are your new best friends. They provide pre-built models and tools that make it way easier to get started with AI development. And of course, we can't forget about programming languages. Python is the MVP here. It's super versatile and widely used in the AI world. But don't sleep on JavaScript either, especially if you're interested in building web-based AI applications. Now, I know this might seem like a lot to take in, but remember, you don't need to become a coding genius overnight. Start with the basics, focus on one step at a time, and most importantly, don't be afraid to experiment and make mistakes. That's how you learn and grow. Think of it like learning a new video game. You wouldn't expect to master it in a day, right? You gotta put in the time, level up your skills, and before you know it, you'll be racking up those high scores. The most important thing is to stay curious, keep learning, and never stop exploring the possibilities of AI. Trust me, the more you put in, the more you'll get out of it. And hey, if you ever hit a roadblock, don't sweat it. The internet is your friend. There are tons of online communities, forums, and resources where you can find help, connect with other AI enthusiasts, and get inspired by some seriously cool projects. Alright, so you've got the basics down. Now what? Well, it's time to figure out what kind of AI superhero you want to be. Just like in the comics, there are tons of different specialties within the AI universe, and finding your niche is key to unlocking your full potential. Let's start with AI chatbots and virtual assistants. These are all about communication and making our lives easier. Think Siri, Alexa, or even those helpful customer service bots you see popping up on websites. If you're into language, communication, and creating seamless user experiences, this might be your jam. Next up, we've got process automation, or RPA for short. This is all about efficiency, baby. We're talking about automating repetitive tasks, streamlining workflows, and basically making computers do all the boring stuff so we don't have to. If you're a fan of optimization and making things run like a well-oiled machine, RPA could be your calling. Now, if you're all about data and insights, then predictive analytics might be your superpower. This is where AI really shines, using data to predict future trends, identify patterns, and make smarter decisions. Think stock market predictions, personalized recommendations, or even predicting customer behavior. It's all about finding the story hidden within the data. For the visual creatives out there, we've got image and video recognition. This field is all about teaching computers to see and interpret visual information. Think self-driving cars, facial recognition software, or even AI-powered medical imaging. If you're fascinated by the intersection of technology and visual perception, this is where it's at. And last but not least, we've got text generation and analysis. This is where AI gets really creative, generating human-quality text, translating languages, summarizing documents, and even analyzing sentiment and emotion in written words. If you're a word nerd or a language enthusiast, this field is ripe with possibilities. Remember, these are just a few examples. There are tons of other AI specialties out there, and new ones are emerging all the time. The key is to explore your interests, experiment with different areas, and find what truly excites you. Okay, so you've got the knowledge, you've found your niche. Now it's time to put those skills to the test and build something awesome. This is where the real fun begins, creating your own AI projects. Think of your portfolio like your AI resume. It's a showcase of your skills, your creativity, and your ability to turn ideas into reality. And the best part, you don't need to start with anything crazy complicated. In fact, some of the most impressive projects are born from simple ideas. Start by building something small and manageable, maybe a simple chatbot that can answer basic questions, or an image recognition app that can identify different types of flowers. The goal here is to get your hands dirty, familiarize yourself with the development process, and gain some confidence. Once you've got a few basic projects under your belt, it's time to level up. Think about real-world problems you're passionate about solving. Can you use AI to automate a tedious task at work? Can you create a tool that helps people learn a new language faster? Can you build an app that makes it easier for people to find affordable housing? The possibilities are literally endless. And the more creative and innovative your projects are, the more they'll stand out from the crowd. Don't forget to document your journey along the way. Share your progress on social media, write blog posts about your challenges and triumphs, and create video tutorials explaining your process. Not only will this help you solidify your knowledge, but it'll also establish you as an expert in your field. And speaking of showcasing your work, platforms like GitHub, YouTube, and even a personal website are your new best friends. Use them to host your projects, share your code, and demonstrate your skills to the world. Chapter 4. From Side Hustle to Empire, Becoming an AI Agent. Now let's talk about turning your AI skills into a paycheck. Because let's be real, who doesn't love a little extra cash? The good news is there are tons of ways to monetize your AI expertise, and you don't need to wait for a fancy job offer to get started. One of the easiest ways to break into the AI hustle is through freelancing platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer. These platforms are like digital marketplaces where businesses and individuals post projects they need help with, and freelancers like you can bid on those projects. Think about it. There are tons of businesses out there who need help with things like automating tasks, building chatbots, or analyzing data, but they might not have the in-house expertise to do it themselves. That's where you come in. Another option is to offer AI consulting services. This is a great route if you enjoy problem solving and helping businesses optimize their operations. You can work with clients to identify areas where AI can improve their efficiency, develop custom solutions, and even provide ongoing support and maintenance. And if you're feeling really ambitious, why not start your own AI automation agency? This is the ultimate way to level up your earnings and build a sustainable business around your skills. You can assemble a team of talented AI developers, designers, and marketers, and offer a full suite of AI solutions to clients. No matter which path you choose, remember to market yourself effectively. Build a strong online presence, showcase your skills, and network with potential clients. The more visible you are, the more opportunities will come your way. Chapter 5. Cash in on your code monetizing your AI skills. Alright, let's talk dollars and cents. We've covered how to build your skills, create a killer portfolio, and even land some freelance gigs. Now, let's dive into some more ways to monetize your AI expertise and turn your passion into a profit-generating machine. First up, let's talk about client projects. This is where you can really flex your creative muscles and build custom AI solutions tailored to specific business needs. Think about it. Every business has its own unique challenges and opportunities, and there's a good chance you can develop an AI solution that solves a real pain point for them. Charge a fair price for your services, deliver exceptional results, and watch those client testimonials roll in. Next, we've got subscription services. This is all about creating recurring revenue by building an AI tool or automation service that people are willing to pay for on a monthly or annual basis. Think about tools that save people time, increase their productivity, or give them a competitive edge. Maybe it's an AI-powered marketing automation platform, a personalized learning app, or a tool that helps businesses manage their social media presence more effectively. Now, let's not forget about the power of content creation. You're already on YouTube, so why not leverage that platform to share your AI knowledge with the world? Create engaging tutorials, insightful explainer videos, and behind-the-scenes looks at your AI projects. As you grow your audience, you can monetize your channel through ads, sponsorships, and even selling your own courses or digital products. Speaking of courses, online learning platforms like Udemy and Skillshare are a goldmine for monetizing your expertise. Package your AI knowledge into comprehensive courses that teach others how to code, build models, and launch their own AI projects. The beauty of this model is that it's scalable. Once you've created a high-quality course, you can sell it to thousands of students around the world, generating passive income while you sleep. Chapter 6. Level up your network. Joining the AI elite. Now, here's the thing about the AI world. It's constantly evolving. New technologies emerge, algorithms get smarter, and what's cutting edge today might be old news tomorrow. That's why it's crucial to stay ahead of the curve and continuously level up your skills and knowledge. One of the best ways to do this is by immersing yourself in the AI community. Think of it like joining a guild of master craftsmen, except instead of forging swords, you're building intelligent algorithms and shaping the future of technology. Platforms like Kaggle are a great place to start. It's like the Olympics of data science, where you can compete in challenges, collaborate with other AI enthusiasts, and learn from some of the brightest minds in the field. GitHub is another essential resource. It's like a giant library of open-source code where you can explore projects, contribute to repositories, and even get feedback on your own code from experienced developers. Think of it like a massive online brainstorming session where everyone benefits from sharing their knowledge and expertise. And don't underestimate the power of social media. Following AI influencers, joining relevant LinkedIn groups, and participating in Twitter chats are all fantastic ways to stay updated on the latest trends, connect with industry leaders, and even find potential collaborators or clients. Remember, the AI world is all about collaboration, knowledge sharing, and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. So get out there, network with your peers, and never stop learning. Outro your AI journey starts now. So, there you have it, your roadmap to becoming an AI pro and monetizing your skills. Remember, this isn't just about learning to code, it's about embracing a new way of thinking, solving problems creatively, and shaping the future with technology. The world of AI is vast and constantly evolving, but with the right mindset, a thirst for knowledge, and a willingness to experiment, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. Now it's your turn. What AI projects are you most excited to build? What problems do you want to solve with this incredible technology? Let me know in the comments below. And hey, if you're interested in learning more about how to create beginner-friendly AI automation services that you can sell easily, hit that like button and let me know. I'm here to help you every step of the way.